I am out here in Locust, North Carolina today, and I am checking out some brand new construction built by True Home, where I'm taking you inside the Whispering Hills community. And we're also going to be talking about why Locust is one of the fastest growing small towns people are quietly moving to. True Homes is known for offering flexible floor plans, open concept living, and the ability to personalize your home without jumping into a luxury level pricing. So you'll see a mix of ranch and two-story homes with modern finishes and layouts that actually make sense for real life and real prices. So for me, what I really like about this community is that the homes are designed with functionality in mind. So things like the large kitchens, the home offices, and the flexible bonus spaces that you can actually grow with, but really make it your own without having to spend those over prices to get that same vibe. So to me, this is like really especially appealing if you are relocating and want new construction without the stress of bidding wars, any type of older home repairs, or unpredictable renovations. Okay, y'all. So let's talk about Locust because this town is having a moment. So Locust has seen significant growth over the past few years, mainly because people are being priced out of Charlotte, Concord, Huntersville, but they still want access to those areas. So from here, you're within a reasonable drive to Charlotte, Albemarle, and Monroe while still enjoying a small town type feel, less traffic, and pretty much lower over costs of living. Locust continues to expand with new schools, small businesses, restaurants, and infrastructure, pretty much making it an ideal spot for buyers who want long-term appreciation and community growth, which is absolutely awesome. I keep telling everybody, go to where everybody else isn't going, but be smart and strategic with your buying, especially if appreciation, equity, things like that is one of your biggest home buying decisions. So that, maybe you want to do some investments later, or maybe you do want to be able to go back to the bigger cities, the Charlotte, the Huntersville, the Concord, things like that. I said that people are now being priced out of, and you're able to use the money that you have essentially grown with this home right here that you're buying in like a Locust, and using that to make that down payment to go back to Charlotte in various areas. So there's a bunch of different, to me, in my opinion, wealth moments or decisions that you can make, strategies that you can make with buying in areas like this. So, if you guys do not have this on this radar, like I have been telling you, hey, then I strongly encourage you to just continue to do your homework, research, set up a call with me. Let's talk about it to see if this type of move makes sense for you and what you're trying to achieve with your home buying goals. All right, so we are currently standing in the Lennox. So this can be a 3 or 4 bedroom. If it's a 4 bedroom, you'll have more of the loft style. But if you opt for the 3 bedroom, which is what you see here in this video, you'll have this massive extra bonus space that you see. So again, this is the Lennox. It did have the small guest type of office vibe downstairs. So, you guys, I'm always going to be 100% honest with you. And if you are relocating to the Charlotte area, the outskirts is definitely where you want to spend your money. You're going to get a bigger lot. You're going to get more house for less the price. So again, we're out here in Locust, North Carolina. It's literally about 15 minutes from Charlotte, just right off of 485. It's center located between Albemarle and Charlotte. And it's pretty much up and coming. It's a lot of development that's coming out here, a lot of builders that's out here. And if you are in Charlotte and you just want to know a little bit more about Locust because maybe you just never heard of it, maybe you've never been interested in it, or you just, came out here a couple of years ago, nothing was here, and you're just like, not really my thing, I encourage you to jump on Albemarle Road in Charlotte and just keep going. You're eventually going to get to 2427 and just come out here and take a ride and see for yourself. See what they have to offer. See what's going on. And I also encourage you guys, go to some of the local planning and zoning board meetings. Come hear the information from yourself. Come see what's going on in these areas. See what's happening so that you can make an informed decision for yourself. So again, I'm out in Locust, North Carolina. I would love to come out here and show you guys what they have to offer, show you some of their new construction. So just feel free to contact me at my information below. Share this, save with a friend. And if you want to know more about living on the outskirts of Charlotte, I'm definitely your go-to realtor. Again, I'm Adria, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.